What's up guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm J Marie, and in today's video I will be sharing this knotless box braid tutorial. I'm using 2 packs of Outre Braid Babe pre-stretched braiding hair in the shades number 4 and number 27. To smooth her roots and hair down, I'm using Shine & Jam's Magic Fingers. The key to getting nice, smooth, knotless braids is to really coat your hair with the braiding gel. It just gives that nice, sleek look when you begin to feed in your hair. To start off the knotless braid, I separate her natural hair into 3 separate pieces. Then I begin to braid that down at least 2 to 3 times, making sure to stop at my pointer finger. That way it allows me to grab my first piece of hair that I'm going to feed in, grabbing the hair right at the fold, which gives me 2 pieces in which I only braid down 1/2 at one time, and then I begin to swing in that second piece in. Then I'm left off at my pointer finger again. I grab my second piece and do the same, making sure that I take my time and grip all of the hair and smooth out any tangles as I go. I'm feeding in 3 pieces of braiding hair that I pre-separated, each being slightly larger than the next. While applying more braiding gel to get a nice sleek finish. Now here's a better view. If you notice, all the work is being done under the braid. So I carefully place my first feed-in piece right into my pointer finger, and then I begin to braid down, adding in that 1 piece and then swinging in my second piece and so forth. Now this was my first time doing knotless braids, so I was learning also as I was going, and I was finding out that if I braided underhand, I got a better looking braid because, you know, like I mentioned, all the work is happening under the braid, so it looks neater if you underhand braid. I'm more of an overhander braider, so I did have to tell myself, hey, do underhand braiding all the way down as much as I can go, and then I will switch over to my overhand braiding. I hope this is all making sense to you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I will answer any questions you may have. And then I braid the hair down to my liking, and then I pull a small piece out. That way I can make a little knot to prevent unraveling. Now that I have all the braids complete, I'm going for more like a short look. So I'm adding rubber bands at the ends, snipping that off. Then I'm going to dip the hair in hot water and style. And this is the completed look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this knotless box braid tutorial. If you did, make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and turn on that post notification bell. That way you don't miss out any more of my videos. And I'm wishing you guys a happy new year, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.